Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about some of the comments or the persistent system query, students query. Okay, so some of them student they asked in the comment. So Mayank Srivastav, I have cleared the HR round and got a selection mail, but I have not received offer letter and the documents filling mail. It's been more than a week. Okay. Yes, Mayank, what you do, you just contact to your TPO. Okay. You contact to your TPO. Similar to you, there are some few students are there. Okay. There are few students, they are not received their mail to, like, they received the selection mail, that is that congrats welcome mail they are received, but this offer letter mail they are not received. Okay, so they will complete the procedure, don't worry. Okay, they will complete that procedure. Okay, so you no need to worry, they will complete the your procedure, like to upload the document and all. Okay, that procedure will be complete, because if this particular mail is there, no, that is the final proof. Okay, that is the final proof that you are a selected candidate in their database. Okay, so don't worry, definitely you will get the next procedure they will do, because maybe they are working on that. Okay, because they are reschedule the many students interview, and the one positive thing about the persistent is that they are handling the all the queries. Means like, such if suppose if this particular case, so one thing what you can do is you can inform to your TPO, and your TPO they will communicate to the persistent. Okay, so your TPO will they collect such queries, and they will communicate to the persistent. That is the one way they can do. Means that is from your TPO side. Okay, so you should be in touch with your TPO. Then Shravani, how will be the technical interview for the electronics communication students? Okay. See, this is the first time that 2020, 21, 22 batch, they allowed the electronics communication students also, they are allowed. Okay, so here some of the concepts, like the database concepts. Okay, and database and C++ programming, oops concepts. Okay, oops concepts. So you should know these concepts, and nowadays even electronics guys also, they are like working on, like they are also almost like interdisciplinary means they can they can work in both software and hardware. Okay, so that's why, like because of the interdisciplinary the projects, so they require the candidate, the one who know the programming, and even some object oriented programming concepts, or C++, or one who know the some electronics the concepts. Okay, so that's why they are preparing the electronic students also. And here in the technical interview is also like similar to the CICIT guys, but it will be little difficult. Okay, means for you people, as you are, but there will be hands-on. Okay, hands-on on some problem statement, hands-on on the some problem statement. So you can do with your C plus whichever the language you are like good. So you can choose, and there will be a hands-on session, and some of the questions they ask, the questions they ask on oops concepts, definitely they ask on oops concepts. Then C, then computer network, because I think you people are also having the computer network subjects. Okay, and software engineering. Okay, so based on these, they can cover the, because nowadays even even Wipro company, no, even this time even mechanical civil students also eligible, mechanical and civil students, they are also eligible for the Wipro. So nowadays even even the educational policy also, they are designed like they can work anywhere in the interdisciplinary. Okay, so you just focus on the C programming language, C++, whichever you are good in, Java or Python. Hands-on will be there, and some questions on theory questions on database, oops, computer network. Okay, and don't say in the interview suppose if they ask any questions, like try to attempt to try. Okay, don't just highlight that you are from the electronics department and all. It is one time you have to say, like you, while in introduction, you are from the electronics. Okay, but every time in the question, suppose if you don't know, like you don't say that like I am from the electronics department. Don't say like this. So you just say that I am really interested to work in the software field, and I will just definitely I will go through. Okay, so you don't mention the multiple times like you're from yeah, electronics, so that creates a negative impact. You have to respond in such a way that you are really interested to work in the software domain. Okay, and you will learn. Okay, you will learn the, you are a quick learner, like you have to, in a positive way you have to mention. Sudhanshu Kumar, we have uploaded document. Sudhanshu, we have uploaded document before how many days of January will get the mail? See, Sudhanshu, they are in a process, right? They are processing. They are processing the these offer letter generation, and in some colleges the it is going on. The interviews are going on in some colleges. Okay, so I think after completion of by a month of October or November, they will complete this procedure, the recruitment procedure, and based upon the acceptance of the offer from the students. Okay, acceptance of offer, definitely they will go for the internship. Okay, so it is in a process, they are like in some colleges it is going on, no? So based upon their requirements and all, they will proceed for the internship, maybe I think next semester, like maybe January, February. Wishes. In negotiation, how much amount they will increase usually? Not only in present, not only in persistent. In negotiation, how much amount they will increase? Negotiation means like I think you are talking about after the 1 year or 1 year or 1.5 year. I think. Okay. It is my as per your question, you are asking like how like increase the salary. Okay, increase the salary after 1 year or after so 1.5 year. Okay. See, it depends upon the like your performance. Okay, it depends upon the performance, depend upon the requirements. Because what happens now, if the people if like if they are leaving, if they are getting more opportunities. Suppose if you consider in your case only, if you are getting a hike of 30% or 40%, means if the company, if the other companies, if they are providing 30%, 40% increment after the 1 year or 1.5 year, then definitely no, you will jump to those companies. Okay, so if there is a requirement, then if depend upon the performance, they also like increase the salary. Okay, as per the market, see, you can see in 1920 persistent was 4.41. In 2021 it is increased to 4.5, and in 21 for your batch it is increased to 4.71. Means they are also changing as per the requirement, because what happens, no, otherwise the candidate will not stick with their job. Okay, he will try to switch, because if he is not satisfied, then he will always try to switch to other company. Okay, so to retain the employees, they are definitely, they will increase the salary as per the demand, as per the requirement. We cannot say some fix. Okay, so Anjan is asked about, there is an error in my name in the list, which was shared by the TPO after the technical round. After the technical, I asked the TPO, but TPO said no need to worry. Is it create any issue in the further steps? It will not create any issue, but while I think after the selection, no, after the selection you will receive one mail. Okay, so that in that particular mail, okay, Anjan, in that particular mail you can, I think you can update, you can like in your the selection mail, they will send a mail to accept the offer. So in that you can edit your profile. I think you can edit in your profile, and it will not affect, and in your profile you can edit it, and your email id is the very important, your email id. This is the mode of contact, and because through this only you are like, the data is stored, like you are cleared the online test, and you are cleared the technical interview. Okay, and now I think you are appearing for the HR round, right? You will appear for the HR round. So it will there will not be any problem. But in the selection mail, if possible, I think there will be a edit option, and also like to submit your PAN card details and all. No, that time you can make the changes, no problem, because here the unique is your email ID. This unique email ID is very important. And suppose like if your name is correct, if your name is correct in in the data submission, initial data submission, and during the online test. Okay, during the online test, and during the technical interview, if your data, whatever the data, if your name is correct, then no need to worry. Okay, because in the selection mail, in the selection, whatever the final selection mail means, in the technical interview selection mail, so in that there is some mistake as you are mentioning here. Okay, so don't worry, it will not create any problem. Okay, the email id, it is one of the fixed one. In the, it is your one of the unique id. Through this only they will contact, and you can change your name in the profile while submitting the, or while accepting the offer. And suppose if you're in the data submission to the TPO, or in during the online test, if it is your name is correct, then no need to worry. Okay, one Siddhi Patil is asking about, I have given my HR assessment on 23rd September. Okay. So until when I'm supposed to get the result? Okay. Yeah, Siddhi, it is good that you are completed your HR assessment and you are waiting for the result. Okay. Siddhi, yeah, definitely you will get your result by end of this month, maybe. Just as I already mentioned in the last videos, also like it depend upon the college and the students from your college. Okay. Suppose if all the students from your college, if they are completed their if they are completed their HR assessment, then it will be very easy, like you will get your result as early as possible. As already mentioned, on the HR submit whatever the responses you are submitted, whatever the HR you are attempted, no, the responses will be verified by the HR of persistent. They will just verify. Okay. So based upon that feedback only, they will finalize the list of your list, the student list from your college. Okay. So it depends. So that's why you try to wait, and definitely you will get. Okay. Siddhi. Okay. Vishesh is asking one more question. When one is better between the persistent and Nagarao? Yeah, I don't know about this. Persistent and Nagarao. Okay. Mm, you can like check it out in the glass door. Okay. Nagarao, this Pune-based company. Yeah, you can check the like some of the feedback, like how they are provide good training, knowledgeable people is there. The culture is here is best. They have okay very good leadership. They really improve the feedback given. You can just go through the glass door, and you can just find out what are the, just do some survey if you are really require some, means if you want to join. It was one of the best company, good learning opportunities, good salary hike. Okay, so even there are some, even Nagaro is one of the best company in Delhi NCR, but joining is nothing less than risking the job security. Project allocation system, that is a tap, is not good. It's totally random. Okay, so I think Vishesh is asked about this question. So you can just go ahead, like you check it out in the internet. Okay, actually I don't know much about this. CTS Cognizant Pune versus Persistent in Nagpur. Please focus on the location also. Okay, yes. Suppose if you are from Nagpur, I think. Okay, CTS Pune versus Persistent Nagpur. I will prefer. Means suppose if I am from the Nagpur. Okay, I am from the Nagpur. So I will prefer this Persistent. If I compare with this CTS and Persistent, no. Okay, CTS Pune, and suppose means here if you are belong to this one, if you are belong to Nagpur, I think if you are belong to Nagpur, and if you are having these two offer, I would say you just go ahead with the Persistent. Okay, because once you if you switch, after 2 3 years from persistent to other company, definitely you will get a good package, double package. So better you go ahead with the persistent. And location means, like, see, it depend, the living cost and all. Like, see, for suppose I don't know about your higher package or base package student. Base package you will get monthly 30,000, 31, 32,000 you will get in hand. Okay, and now you are okay, like, and suppose like in the CTS, I think that also you will get around 25 to 30. I think CTS, I think it is 4 lakh, maybe 4 to 4.4 lakh maybe, right? So the in hand will be little bit less, I think 28, or like, it depend. And also, like, suppose if you are from Nagpur, okay, I don't know which location you belong to. The thing is that now you can not only focus on your job and also focus on your career also, like, now, like, to stay in the Pune means, okay, and for any higher education or to improve your skills. Okay, even Pune's location is good for, like, to stay, but it is costly, I think. This The Pune is costly for the expenditure and all. It depend as per your, but CTS and persistent, if we compare, no, CTS and persistent, I would prefer to say you should go with the persistent. Animesh. Do persistent provides internship for final year students if the student is selected in persistent? Yes, Animesh. It is only for the students who are selected. Okay, students after their final selection, after the final selection. Okay, and this internship, no, they are providing from, I'm seeing from 2012 to till date. Actually, earlier they used to take hardly 2 to 3 students from the each department. Okay, a single digit count was there, and they used to provide they used to provide the internships. Okay, and the students, sometimes the students were, they used to convert those internship to their final year projects also. Okay, then Ganesh. I got selected in persistent. They send a selection list of students. Then when the persistent will send the personal congratulation mail. Okay, Ganesh, yeah, congratulations. Okay, as you are finally your name is there in the selection list. Okay, so they will communicate. Okay, they will communicate through the, like, sometimes in some colleges it took around 1 week. After the 1 week, they got the welcome mail. And sometimes maybe tomorrow also you may get, your welcome mail. Okay, it depend. Okay, Ganesh, it depend. So don't worry, definitely you will get mail. Okay, it depend. Even Sunday also you may get, or Monday. By next week definitely you will get. Okay, then Amit is asked about, can we switch to base package? Can we switch to base package to 7.5 package after the internship? Is there any exam after the internship to get promoted? Amit, there is no such option as per my knowledge from an interaction with the 2021 batch students. Okay, so there is no such options to switch from base package, base package to higher package. There is no such option. Okay, there is no such option, and in the internship, in the during the training, there will be during the training. Means training means, suppose if you are in a base package, so they will provide training, and in the training you are having a mini project assessment will be there. But here they won't reject. Okay, they won't reject the candidates. Okay, but they will do some evaluation, and and this option is not there, like reaching from your 4.71 to 7.5 LPA. This option is not there to get one more opportunity, because they are already completed the one uh, chance. Okay, means they are already conducted the test and all. See, it depend, because if there is more requirement, no, if there is more requirement, and if the students are not willing to join for this package, if the students are not willing, if they are not willing to join for this particular package, then there is no option. They may like conduct some recruitment, or maybe like some test, and they may provide chances. Okay, it depends, because I tell you one case in with Infosys. Okay, with Infosys, what they do, they use to conduct for base package, no, 3 point for the system engineer role. Okay, for system engineer role. Okay, through InfTQ platform, they conduct, right, through InfTQ platform they conduct the recruiter for 3.6. And what happens, no more, like almost 50% of the people, they won't join. Okay, they will not join with this package. So if there is more requirement, no, what they do, last year they had they conducted one more drive, fresh drive for 5 LPA and 8 LPA. Fresh, this is for all the students. Okay, it is associated with the college, and like for digital specialist engineer role, and power programmer role. Even though if the candidates, those who are like selected in 3.6, okay, for all the students, they provided even higher package opportunity, because nowadays, no, there is more competition. Like almost all the companies, they are providing a minimum, means for tier 3 colleges, minimum around 4 to 5 LPA they are providing. Okay, so students are getting more offers. And if suppose if there is any like 50% difference, 50,000 difference in the salary, in the means 5 to 5.5 package. Okay, so students are without any reason, they are shifting to this package. So that's why the companies also, they are to retain the candidates, they are providing some additional benefits and all, additional direct indirect benefits. Okay, additional direct and indirect benefits to the students. It depends. Okay, Ganesh. Okay, I was answering for the Amit question. Okay, is there any switch? So there is no switch after the internship. They won't provide. Then, as I told, after the training, there will be assessment. Mini project assessment will be there. Then Vishesh. Yes, please. Who are selected? Please tell. Everyone is selected after HR. Yeah, 99% is most of the people, no, they are selected after the HR, after the HR online assessment. And there are some cases are there that we are not sure, like Even I am also not sure, like they are rejected or their name means their it is pending. We don't know about that. Okay, means pending means maybe they will announce after the 1 month, after 2 months, that we are not sure about that. Okay, so that's why you people like some suppose in this category, like the student has attended the HR and if the name is penned and not received, I mean selection in the selection list, if the name is not there, okay, actually they need to wait. Okay, there may be some chances are there in the second list. Okay, because no, last time what happened, no, there are after the the first slot, after the first slot selection, okay, the people almost after the 2 month, after 2 month, they got second list. After the 2 month they got the second list based upon the priority. Okay, and based on priority means they give the priority to those who are attended the HR assessment. Those who are attended HR assessment, they will give the more priority because they are not, the result is like, if you consider pending or rejected after the HR assessment, if they reached till the HR assessment. Okay, so there may be some chances are there. And animation, yes, animation. As in the welcome mail they are mentioned, in the welcome mail they are mentioned like they are providing a internship stipend, they are providing the internship stipend, okay, with 10,000 rupees during the internship. Okay, Vishesh, my technical interview was good. I am from electronics communication branch. I solved hacker rank code problems and they said hope to see you soon. Definitely Vishesh. Okay, as you are like it indicates the hacker rank platform, you are done your some practiced, you have practiced your some problem statements, that shows you are really interested in the coding, you are really interested in coding or in the programming skills, okay, or in the problem solving skills, you are really interested. Okay, so I would like to say that if even you, as you are mentioning, your interview was good, and the good indicates there are different meanings. Means good means, I think as per my opinion, you are attempted all the questions, means you are answered the questions whatever the interviewer asked. Okay, so if in the case, okay, and if you are solved your, I think, hands-on coding. Okay, if you are done, if you are solved with the hands-on coding, then and that too you are from the electronics communication branch. Okay, if you are from the and means you are done all this and you are from electronics communication branch, then I would like to say maybe your 100% chances are there. 100% selection chances are there. Okay, because as a being electronic student and you have shown the interest, see, there is a like even we cannot say like CSC IT guys they are good in coding. We cannot say that they are good. Okay, even like electronics, civil, mech. So these guys also they are good in the coding. Okay, and here like you are special. you are special because you are having the this particular domain knowledge, like you are having the knowledge of civil, you are having the knowledge of mechanical, you are having the knowledge of, and with that you are having this skill, this programming skill. Okay, and they give the more weightage to the you people compared to CSE, because you are having that one extra skill, like you people are fit to any domain, you are fit to any domain. Okay, so definitely, because the CSC means it is a pure, okay, you are this is pure, like they go through the technical core subjects. Okay, core subjects of computer science, IT department. Okay, and these guys are like good in the computer science related the subjects, but like nowadays, the projects are in such a way that like interdisciplinary, and they are focusing more on the interdisciplinary projects. Okay, like you people can, like electronics, like you can work on IoT, machine learning, okay, deep learning. Okay, and like the applications wherever, okay, from all the field you guys will fit. Okay, so definitely, and I'm only from, as you mentioned here in the chat, only one from AC department who cleared technical round. It is good. Okay, means it indicates, see, Vishesh, the thing is that you are interested. The thing is that you are interested in the software field. Okay, but you have the knowledge of your knowledge, means knowledge of your subject, like electronics knowledge also you are having. Okay, so that is your additional benefit. Okay, because even you can see just Wipro, I think today only that Wipro, today and tomorrow I think Wipro national level technical, the test is going on, no, pan India. So Wipro, it is allowing, earlier it used to allow only like soft branches. Now they are included civil also, civil, mechanical. Okay, even mechanical students also they are eligible for the job. Okay, so it indicates there's more opportunities are there, and even like in the mechanical domain departments, even they are also like they are bringing some advancement in mechanical, like mechatronics. Okay, mechatronics, and the ML, IoT tools and all, they are working, even civil also, like say. So the software companies, they require the students from all the different domain also. Okay, even from civil, mechanical also they want. So there is more requirement, and the main thing is that they just check whether really you are interested or not. So here one student, I have completed my HR on 8th September, and I have given higher package HR assessment, and all the students of base package students are declared. Okay, here he completed his HR on 8th September, and I have given the HR package, higher package HR assessment. Okay, and all the results of base package students are declared. Okay, base package is declared, but higher package students results are not declared. What to do? Okay, Okay, so here it is clear. Means you are appeared for higher package. Higher package means 7.5 LPA. Okay. See, your result is pending, and see there is one more chance is there for the 9 LPA. Okay, for 9 LP also you have to appear for the online test. You have to appear for the online test, and for after the online test, okay, there will be again one more technical interview. One more technical interview. Okay, and here suppose if your performance is good in the technical interview, they will proceed for 9 LPA. Otherwise, you will be back with the this particular. Okay, so don't worry, you will get. Okay, because they are maybe, because this depend upon the this round is there, no, 9 LPA. They won't conduct for only one student. Okay, so after the higher package, okay, they will shortlist some of the student from the various other colleges also. Okay, and they will proceed for the 9 LPA online test. Okay, so you just wait. Okay, because the students from they will allow the students from the other colleges also. That's why. And yeah, so here one of the student. Okay, he actually for my one of the video, actually he was commented in the 2 weeks back. Shivang Gupta, I got selected for the SP role, that is a SP role, specialist programmer role, and of this, and I had my interview 75 minutes on 25 August. When will I get my result interview? So I think today he got the result, as he got the result and selected for the power programmer. Power programmer, I think 8 LPA. Power programmer, the package is 8 LPA. And actually, the thing is that he was mentioned like he's one of the friend. His interview was almost, I think, 1.5 hour or something, maybe 1.5 hour. His friend has attended, and his interview was only 75 minutes. So I think he was asking about some doubt, and now today he got a mail that selection. So here the main thing is that they want the interview time. Okay, they won't focus on, like as you mentioned, like you will get a mail for the technical interview for 40 minutes. Okay, for technical interview you will get a mail like there will be 40-minute technical, but it is not like it is not compulsory to spend 40 minutes. Okay, it depend upon the interviewer. It depend upon the interviewer. They may spend 20 minutes, okay, or 30 minutes. It depend upon the interviewer and how you respond to those questions, how you interact, how positively you interact with the interviewer. So they will see all your performance. Okay, and if you are really, if you are like responding properly, and if your confidence and all, if you're definitely they will complete it in 20-25 minutes. It depends. Okay. Tushar. Tushar is asking how much hiring for the batch 2022 per percent. How much hiring for the batch means you are asking about 21. You are asking about 21-22 batch, right? The today means this final year students. You are asking about these final year students, right? this year. Okay. So how much hiring means, as in the news seen that around 4,000 people they are hiring freshers. Persistent is hiring 4,000 freshers they are hiring. Okay. For the persistent. So it was there in the news, and also I think in the pre-placement talk with your colleges. I think the pre-placement talk also, I think they are mentioned about they are hiring about 4,000 higher pressures. Okay, it was mentioned, and it maybe change. Maybe they go beyond the 4,000 also. It depend. So what happens now? Suppose in the company, suppose if there is a EPC company is there, and suppose here like P person, if P person is working, okay, is working for almost suppose 2 years. This person is working almost from last 2 years, and if he's not getting any like increment, or the more maybe the hike maybe less. Okay, if there is a hike less, or if there is some XYZ company. Okay, if there is some XYZ company, if they are providing more. Okay, if there is a 40 to 50% increase in the salary, if the 40 to 50% increase in the salary, then definitely they will switch, after 1 year or 2 year. Means if there is no because if there is no increment, there is no more hike, they will switch. And what happens if there are more people, if they resign, if the more people, if they leave the company, so they will hire the same number. Okay, they hire, because whatever the task that these guys are doing, that same the pressure also can do. Okay, so means they will maintain that saturation. If there are 4,000, if they are leaving, then they will hire 4,000. Okay, out and in means they will maintain their quality. And means this is one example. Not I'm not talking about the persistent. This is a some example I'm giving. Means they are hiring more people. This is maybe the one reason, or maybe there are more projects, okay, persistent has maybe bagged more projects. Okay, because the persistent has maintained a quality. Okay, persistent system, it has maintained a quality. There is a brand is there, and definitely uh, it will maintain the same in the future also. Okay, because in earlier days, no, in like in 1920 and all, it was very difficult to enter. It was very difficult to enter into the persistent system. Okay, it was very difficult to enter into the persistent system. The interview was difficult, and they used to focus mainly on the candidate who is good in the technical. Okay, they used to focus more main on the technical. Okay, even though if you are not good in a communication skill, if you are not good in communication skill also, it doesn't matter. But they mainly focus on how good you are in technical. Okay, so uh, it depends. Okay, I think you got answer. And Anurag, Anurag is asking about I give the HR assessment on 23rd. September. Okay. Now how many days I will get the result? Yeah, Anurag, you maybe end of the September or maybe in the next month. Okay, it takes a time around 7 to 10 days time, and also it depends upon the like as I already told the students from your college. If the students from your college, if they are means if there are 70% students are there, those who are appearing for the HR assessment. If suppose all the students are completed, then after that with the feedback from the HR people of persistent, then they will finalize your list. It may take 7 to 10 days. Tushar, persistent is a product based company. It is a product based company. Okay, persistent is a product based company. I have selected in persist Rachana. I have selected in persistent through scholarship program human hiring. Yeah, yeah, I heard about this. This there was a program for human hiring special program. Okay, got the offer letter registration link. In how many days I will get a actual offer letter. I am from the 2021 batch. Okay, so your case is different. You are from the 2021 batch, and maybe immediately you may get okay immediately because you are already available to join. Okay, you are available to join the company. So maybe you will get immediately because the other hirings it was for like it is different for 21 22 fresher hiring is different and your case is different. Okay, and you are from the 2022 batch, so maybe they will complete your joining process as early as possible, and I think package will be same. I think for even though it is a special drive for the like scholarship program for the human hiring, but I think the base package if we consider okay, so like 4.71 LP. Okay, so you just check it out. I think in the drive also maybe it is mentioned like the okay, so you can check it out. But in the persistent, no, because your entry level, and for based upon this year as per the company standard in 21. Okay, in 2021, as per the company standard means okay they will go with this one for 4.71 LPA. Okay, means here they won't differentiate whether but because you are they are considered you as a fresher only here. They are considered you as a fresher, and as this batch means as this year they are offering 4.71 means it is applicable to you also as per my knowledge. Okay, but you till to get the offer letter you will get the confirmation means final, and persistent it has maintained a quality. Okay, for for the freshers they won't differentiate like for one candidate like 4.51 and one candidate 4.7 like this they won't do. Okay, so whatever the standard no same they will maintain. If they are providing with 4.71 means they for all the candidates they will go with this only. Means based upon their role, I think in the internship also even for the pass out students. Okay, even they will provide some internships also in even with the 10K earlier. It was for 5K. Now as they are mentioning 10K means as per their policy they will go. My joining date is on 11th October. Okay. And location is Pune. They have mentioned before. Only offer letter. Yeah. Okay. Means it is good. Like you should be ready mentally with this date. Okay, the 11th October means definitely they will proceed. Okay, as you they are mentioned the date means like immediate joining will be there, and they will complete your all the procedures. Okay, and even if possible you can just I think you maybe received the mails. No, even if possible you can even contact with the HR also, the help desk, as you are like your case is different, as you no need to contact to the TPO and all, because you are now passed out. Okay, and your only contact is through the HR, so you are not a part of the any college now. Means yeah, there is no there is no connection to the TPO. You are directly communicating to the persistent HR help desk. Okay, so that don't worry, you will get, because as you are mentioned the date also means for your particular batch, that the special scholarship program human like women hiring for this particular drive, all the candidates they will, I think they will send the that offer letter at the same time. Okay, so tech legend, when we will receive the mail, as my HR was conducted on 8th September. Yeah, yeah, yes. It is, as most many students are waiting. Many students they are waiting. Okay, many students they are waiting. Those who have completed their HR assessment on 8th September. Okay, you wait for some time and also be in touch with your college TPO. Okay, sometimes what happens now, like the HR people, the HR of the persistent, they are having a communication with the TPO of the colleges also. Okay, and unofficially they mention, means unofficially they will mention like there are like 50 students from your college are there, means they are working on that particular list. Okay, prepare, because they have to follow some the some steps, like by after the HR assessment they have to like provide to the HR team, and the HR team will provide the feedback. There are a lot of process involved, and suppose if there are some students like the 50 students, okay, sometimes they may communicate to the TPO also. So as a fresher you should have a direct contact with the TPO, means you need to like have a discussion and don't try to message, and you should have like visit to the college. You should ask to your TPO like the result about, because it is they as student are waiting for the result. Okay, even the TPO also they are because it is to the college. Okay, and they are also waiting for the student's result. Okay, it is not like the TPO is not caring for the student. Okay, it because the persistent they may be like they are processing with the various colleges all over India, region wise. Okay, so it depends, so it takes some time. Okay, normally if as you people are getting your result in 1 month or 2 month, 1 to 2 month you are getting your all results. You if you can see some government jobs, no, like for suppose any clerk job only, if you consider any clerk job. Okay, suppose if they apply in the 2017 and he will join 2021, there are some cases are there. It takes around 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 years in government jobs. Hmm. And you people are also getting the same thing, whatever the facility, PF, gratuity, and all. Okay, I mean, just one example means as these people like 3 to 4 years they wait to get to process all those things. Okay, so you have patience and you want to try for the other companies also. Okay, so don't just sit idle. Like don't think like this is you have done everything. Like you are selected, and don't keep quiet. Okay, you have to like you have to explore the new skills. You have to improve your technical skills and do some good projects in the final year because this will be helpful for your the final year and also to switch from one company to another company or to get more package and also try to find some jobs in the like some coding challenges are there no through coding challenges you will get some high package job offers. Okay, that is also one options are there for you people for high package. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll end this session and if you have any questions you just put it in a comment box and if the means the even the questions even like the student those who have gone through the process definitely they will answer. Okay, if you have any questions because most of the students they are completed their process for or technical interview, HR interview, and those who are appearing for the technical interview. So you just prepare it seriously. This is the main round. The technical interview is the main round. Okay, if you clear this round, definitely you are selected. Yeah, I think yeah both persistent also you are selected and accenture. Okay, see, as per my knowledge, you should go with the persistent only. As per my opinion, you still you have a time. You can just think about it because compared to both, this is more secure. We can say persistent and also like you'll get to explore the news, to explore new technology and to work on projects. Okay, and in the training also you get training from the experts means as per the 2021 batch as per the 2021 batch you will get good exposure from the experts. Okay, and the healthy environment I can say there is no pressure means as you can work by maintaining your personal life and your professional life. Okay, I don't have more idea about this. Okay, don't have the more idea. Okay, but very few students are joined. Okay, very few students they are joined to Accenture. Mostly they are preferred to this. Mostly most of the people they are preferred to persistent for joining. And in persistent is that like immediate joining is there and even they are providing internships so you are getting a industry exposure in through internships and immediate joining is there like in the May I think in the May 2022 maybe they will proceed for the joining. Okay, and Accenture maybe the joining will be late like September October maybe. Okay, September or October 2022 and both are good as package is same almost I think and that is Accenture is 4.5 and it is 4.71. You can just think about as per your like the location and all and how Even you can discuss with your any seniors also. You can discuss with the seniors, so you'll get a better guidance. Okay, those who are working. Okay, definitely you will get a connection. Means with your seniors. Okay, and also you think about some like whether how they are providing the projects. Means in 2021 batch, you can have a discussion with your seniors, like in accenture, in persistent, or in any company, any company. Okay, like just think about like how the projects and all, how they are providing. And okay, and you don't ask only one person, you just discuss with the many students those who are working. And after that you just think about it. Okay, but I would say that you should go with the persistent as per the record. Means like I know the students from, I think, some 2014 onwards. Means I know some of the students earlier as those who are working in persistent. They said that it is good compared to other companies. But I don't know the present. You can just have a discussion with your seniors. In such cases, no, like you should have a discussion with your seniors. Okay, and in that also some people they give some positive feedback. Some people they give negative feedback. It depends upon you how you take. Sometimes no, the people they won't satisfy with their work. The people they won't satisfy with their work, and they will give some negative feedback also. Like it depends upon the person to person perspective. But you have to take a proper decision. It depends upon you. Finally, you are joining the company. Okay, you are joining to that particular company. And suppose if you get like some 6 LPA or 7 LPA, okay, if you get some other like such package in the fresher, then it is, you should just go ahead with this package, because there is a difference is there almost 1.5 lakh. In such case you can jump to this package, because from 4.71 to reach to this level, almost it takes 1.5 year, 1.5 year to 2 year. Okay, so you just have a discussion with your senior, and you can proceed. Okay. Okay guys, we'll end this session, and if you have any question, just put it in the comment box. Okay, thank you.